I am greatness defined. In between the lines, I am soundness of mind. Wisdom from the teachings, I am blessed and divine. I am, oh yeah, I am. Believe that I am greatness defined. In between the lines, I am soundness of mind. Wisdom from the teachings, I am blessed and divine. I am, oh yeah, I am. Believe that I am. I'm a king and a prince to be feared. Walking in greatness, I am meant to be here. They tried to prevent this cause they knew it was near, but I promise my believers that the vision was clear. I am 24 karat, not made of fool's gold. Unseen forces at work when you reap what you sow. I'm a diamond in the rough, no polish, no cut. You planted seeds of dirty weed so you remain in your ruts, but I knew it in my guts what I was destined to be. So build my pyramids up and lead the rest to the king. I'm divine in my nature, so I'm living in peace. And if you looking for love, look no farther than me. But if you looking in your eyes, then you probably can see that I'm standing with an army like the sea is so deep. If you could feel how I felt, then you would feel that I am more than words on this pad or the beat to this jam. I am greatness defined. In between the lines, I am soundness of mind. Wisdom from the teachings, I am blessed and divine. I am, oh yeah, I am. Believe that I am greatness defined. In between the lines, I am soundness of mind. Wisdom from the teachings, I am blessed and divine. I am, oh yeah, I am. Believe that I am. I am walking a thin line, struggle with obsession, learning lessons that bend time. Egocentric, have demented blindfold on my eyes, digging deeper in the darkness, trying to save my own life. See myself in my son, trying to raise a better man. Build him up like the pyramids with nothing but death and sand. I am nothing but a helping hand. I'm trying to make it, but I can't take it, so I take a stand. And I stand in deliverance, my dreadhead brothers. Why they try to hinder this? The West had us brainwashed, but now we've been free. Thanks to my Rastas for standing with me. For standing with me, I give y'all my loyalty. Cause this is our kingdom and we are the royalty. No beggars, no choosers, no losers, no woe is me. We are the youth and the future and hopes and dreams. Greatness defined. In between the lines, I am soundness of mind. Wisdom from the teachings, I am blessed and divine. I am, oh yeah, I am. Believe that I am greatness defined. In between the lines, I am soundness of mind. Wisdom from the teachings, I am blessed and divine. I am, oh yeah, I am. Believe that I am.
Throughout history, it has been the inaction of those who could have acted, the indifference of those who should have known better, and the silence of the voice of justice when it mattered that has made it possible for people to triumph.